Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a quick and handy tutorial that will help you unravel the mysteries of the .NET Framework version on your Windows 11 system. Determining which version you have installed can be a bit tricky, but fear not. Today, we're going to show you the easiest and fastest way to check your .NET Framework version. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Here's what you need to do to check the .NET Framework version on your Windows 11 system using File Explorer. Open File Explorer, browse the following path, C, Windows Microsoft.NET Framework. Open the folder with the latest version. Right-click any of the .dol files and select the Properties option. Click the Details tab. In the Product Version section, confirm the version of .NET. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tips and tricks.